Hello, one. So we have a really nice equation problem. So we have 10 people form a circle. Each person picks a number and tells it to the two neighbors adjacent to that person. And then that person, every single person that actually circle, take the average of the two numbers that actually receive from the neighbors. So the figure shows the average of those numbers by each person, not the origin number that each person picked. So based on this, what is the number picked by the person who announced the average 6? Okay, so the question is kind of straightforward, but at the same time, it's not like that obvious, to be honest. So if you didn't get what's going on still, so make sure you read a few times until you get it back. Get it, okay? And I'll ask you always try to do this problem on before you see the solution. So, but I'll just go ahead. So these numbers are the averages of the person on these like spots. So this guy got the average of 1, this guy got the average of 2 and stuff like that. But this is average of the number right here and right here. So this is average of the two, like the number right here and the number right here and stuff like that. And the question was asking, what is the number picked by the person who said the average is 6? Okay, and then these are the choices. Okay, so what we can do maybe, since this is our target, like I'm gonna call the X for that number. Actually, the person picked the chose the X value. Okay, so I can go like I don't really have much information other than averages, you know. I can just kind of say, if this is my average, that means some of this the number right here and the number right here, whatever number was chosen, has to be twice as much, because this guy plus this guy over 2 is gonna be this, but not 5 and 7, just the number that picked by this person, picked by this person. So if that's the case, if I double this number, that's 10. So 10 has to be average of the number picked by this person, picked by this person. So that is why I will go with, this is gonna be 10 minus X. So if I take X and 10 minus X, that's 10, the half will be 5, which is good. And then we can kind of continue either this direction or that direction. So let's continue. So if this is like my average of the number right here or the number right here, so I can kind of get that the sum of the number right here, the number right here is going to be twice as this, but I have no idea about those two numbers, so which is why it's not helping. So, but we can actually continue like this. So this number is average of the number right here and this one. So that is going to be 6 if you add the number right here and this one. To get 6, I should have 4 plus X, because I need to cancel the X, so that's plus X. I need to get 6, so actually that's minus 4. So 10 minus 4 is 6, and if you take the half, you get 3. So far, so good, I guess. And if you just continue doing the same pattern, so I hope that will help. So this number is average of the X minus 4 and the number right here, right? So if you double, that's 2. To get the 2, when you add this number and this number, I should have 6 minus X. So 6 minus 4 is 2, and then X's will cancel. So you got 2 over 2, which is going to be 1. Okay. And this number is average of the 6 minus X, the number picked by this person. So if you double, that's 18. To get 18, I should have X plus 12. So 12 plus 6 is 18. X will cancel if you add them. The average of the 18 is just 9. So we are good. And I think this is the last step. So this guy, 7, is going to be the average of the X plus 12 and the X. Okay, so if you do so, you will get 2X plus 12 is 14, and that is going to be just 1. And that's the answer. So again, this was a AMC like a 12th level problem. Actually, this is one of the old AMC 12 problems. So it was number 26. So, but the work or the background in terms of math is not really that much, just the average, right? So, but I hope that makes sense. Okay.